In this video, I'll show you how to trade with multiple chart windows on MetaTrader 5. If you're using MetaTrader 5 on desktop, you can open several charts at the same time and arrange them so you can watch multiple markets together. MetaTrader 5's official help says that when multiple charts are open, you can organize them from the window menu using layouts like tile, tile horizontally, tile vertically, or cascade. First, open the symbols you want to watch. You can do that by opening new charts for each market. Once you have several charts open, go to the top menu and click Window. Then choose the layout you want. Tile is usually the easiest option because it places the chart windows side by side so you can monitor more than one market at once. After that, click inside any chart to make it active. Then place trades from that chart's trading tools or order window. You can repeat the same process across your other open charts, which makes it easier to compare symbols and trade faster without constantly switching back and forth. You can also save your workspace using profiles, so the same chart arrangement opens again later. MetaTrader 5 says, profiles preserve the settings and arrangement of all open charts in your workspace. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.